places we must go to bring these hollow words and back from. You must cross a muddy river where love tends to fear. They say you don't love, there's only one way. I'm back from here. They say you don't love, they say you don't love, 'cause it'll disappear. They keep on straining as if to see where it lies behind them, through the shells of empty buildings and great columns.
Shall descend. Why? Why adventure? Because you yourself are probably sitting on a couch, numb to life, rather than feeling the frigid Arctic air of winter storm electron pulsing through